Question. Find the last digit of 8 to the power 99. Here is the plan. 1. We look for a repeating cycle in the last digits of powers of 8. 2. We determine the cycle length. 3. We reduce 99 by that length. 4. We use the remainder to identify the correct last digit. Step 1. Examine the first few powers. 8 to the first is 8. Last digit 8. 8 squared is 64. Last digit 4. 8 cubed is 512. Last digit 2. 8 to the fourth is 4096. Last digit 6. Watch the last digits continue. They go 8, 4, 2, 6. Then repeat. 8, 4, 2, 6. So there is a clear cycle of length 4. Therefore, the cycle length is 4. Step 3. Reduce 99 modulo 4. 99 equals 4 times 24 plus 3. So the remainder is 3. Step 4. A remainder of 3 means we take the third position in the cycle. That corresponds to 8 to the third power. Conclusion. The last digit of 8 to the 99th power is 2.